Welcome to our video on how to research and analyze stocks for investing. Investing in stocks can be a great way to build long-term wealth, but it requires careful research and analysis to make informed decisions. In this video, we'll go over the key steps to researching and analyzing stocks to help you make smart investment decisions. Step 1. Define your investment goals. Before you start researching stocks, it's important to define your investment goals. What are you hoping to achieve by investing in stocks? Are you looking for long-term growth or short-term gains? Knowing your goals will help you select stocks that align with your investment strategy. Step 2. Conduct market research. The next step is to conduct market research to identify potential stocks to invest in. Start by looking at industry trends and economic indicators. This will help you identify sectors that are likely to perform well in the coming years. Use online tools like stock screeners to help you filter through the thousands of stocks available on the market. Step 3. Analyze the company's financial statements. Once you've identified a potential stock to invest in, it's time to analyze the company's financial statements. This includes the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Look for key financial metrics like revenue growth, profitability, and debt levels. You can use financial ratios like the price-to-earnings (PE) ratio to compare the company's valuation to its peers. Step 4. Evaluate the management team. The management team plays a crucial role in the success of a company. Look for a management team with a strong track record of success and a clear strategy for growth. You can also look for insider ownership to see if management has a significant stake in the company. Finally, assess the company's competitive position in the market. Look at factors like market share, barriers to entry, and competition. A company with a strong competitive position is more likely to generate sustainable profits over the long term. Investing in stocks can be a great way to build long-term wealth, but it requires careful research and analysis. By following these key steps, you can identify high-quality companies that align with your investment goals and have the potential to generate strong returns. Remember to always do your due diligence and invest with a long-term mindset. Happy investing!